FD White, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. Welcome to the channel. So right now we have Bitcoin taking a nice little dump. We're down to about $66,387 at the time of recording. I'm not really too scared about this dump in a bull run, in a bull market, in an uptrend, a massive uptrend like we've had over the past few months. These pullbacks are normal. These pullbacks are healthy. These pullbacks are good. These are also opportunities for us to come in and grab some altcoins, possibly grab some different tokens, different coins that we missed out on during the massive pump. So what I'm looking at right now for Bitcoin, we're going to start with Bitcoin, is I'm looking at this level to hold at about the 65.2 to about the 66.6 area level, or area to hold. This yellow line here, or this yellow area here, is my first line in the sand. I really want to hold this. If we don't hold this, I think we're going to just trickle all the way down here to about 61.8, all the way down to about 60,000, which is that psychological barrier or the psychological level. If we get below that, then we'll make an updated video, but right now I'm just trying to stay in between this here and this here, or we can go down and just stay between this range here. This will be a nice range for us to stay in a crypto bull run. The ranges can range from anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000. So I want everybody to remember that these ranges in the bull market are completely totally different from ranges in like a bear market. Bear market ranges, you might get anything from 1,000 to 2,000. In a bull market with the volatility at a heightened level, you can get massive levels. So I'm looking at this level here to hold. If we don't hold this level here, so our first area that I'm looking at is from 66.2 all the way up to about 73. Let's just call it 74. So that'll be one area that I'm looking at. Then the next area, if we get accepted that back down into this range, will be at about 65 all the way to about 60. So like I said, that's about a 5k difference in the price and within the range. So if we see here, we broke up, we were going up, then we broke down from this massive rising channel, and then we came down, retested it as resistance and broke back down. We also, if you zoom in to the 1 hour chart, we can see that we formed some sort of a bear flag. So we came down, we started consolidating upward, and then we came down, and now we hit our first target at about 66,000. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Hopefully over the weekends we've been getting altcoins to pump while Bitcoin's been sort of sideways these last couple weekends. I also saw something, I'm not sure if this was true, Token Metrics, Ian Bellina posted this about an hour ago. He said that Bitcoin GrayScale ETF has transferred, GrayScale has transferred 2,103 Bitcoins valued at $142 million to Coinbase Prime. So he has the screenshot here of all the Bitcoin being sent over to Coinbase Prime. So if that's the case, and we have GrayScale dumping over the weekend, we will not see this the institutional buyers coming in. The institutional buyers usually come in on Monday morning, and then they started to pump the market. The last few Mondays we've been getting massive pumps in Bitcoin because that's when the market opens. That's when the big players can come in and load up their ETF bags. The end of this week we've had like 80% inflows slowdown with the Bitcoin ETFs. So I knew I kind of knew we weren't going to just have massive inflows every day, all day, every week. So this is just to be expected. Like I said, GrayScale said, GrayScale, if they did transfer 2103 and they're selling, we might get a little sell pressure. We might get a little more downside over this weekend, but I am expecting Monday to come around, and we might get a pump like the last two Mondays. I can only go off probabilities, and the last couple, maybe 2 or 3 Mondays, like I said, have been massive for Bitcoin. Last Monday was here. We opened here. We came up all the way to 70, almost 74K. We got a rollover. Let's go back to the other Monday. Came up, massive uptrend. Let's go to the next Monday. So yeah, like I said, the last few Mondays this Monday wasn't so bullish But yeah, the last 2 Mondays we've been having nice little moves in Bitcoin, so I will be just expecting that. I will try to front run the move maybe Sunday night when the market opens, or when the market resets for the day. I will be trying to probably front run this Bitcoin move if I do think we can get more inflows and more of price appreciation on Monday like we've seen the last 2 Mondays. So that's pretty much it, what I wanted to come with. Bitcoin right now, like I said, is going down. First area we've hit at about 66,000. The next area that I will be looking at is about 58 to 60,000. We definitely want to hold that. If anything happens with those two areas, I'll be looking at the 52 to 53k area. But like I said, we're still in the uptrend. Bitcoin's looking pretty good. Bitcoin's looking actually is looking very good. These corrections are healthy. These corrections are normal. So if you're new, don't fret, don't panic, don't be scared. This is just what happens. Sometimes we get massive price swings to the upside like you've seen, and the downside. So like I always say, the downside moves are just a gift if you have dry powder on the sideline. So this is FD White, aka Crypto Funds. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.